video, I'm going to show you how to manage Wi-Fi in the Settings app. First, you have to open up System Settings, and here it usually opens up in General. From here, we just click on Wi-Fi here, and here we have the option to turn Wi-Fi on or off, as with this part. Then here we have details about our Wi-Fi connection. Here we have the possible connections, as in the routers to which we can connect. Here we have ask to join networks and ask to join hotspots. And then we have advanced as well, where we can change networks, turn Wi-Fi on or off, as in this will require administrator authorization. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.